I'm going to show you how to pair and connect a pair of AirPods or the AirPods Pro directly to your Nintendo Switch via Bluetooth. So first thing is we need to go to the Bluetooth settings on our Switch here. So just go to the home, go to home, and then from here we want to go to set system settings right there. Select on that. From here we want to go down to Bluetooth audio right there. Select on that. And then we're going to go down to pair device. Okay, so let's select pair device. And as soon as we do that, now it's searching for Bluetooth devices that are in pairing mode that are near me. So now we got to put this in a pairing mode. Okay, and how you do that is open it up, make sure the buds are in here, and you have that one button back here. What we're going to do is press and hold that button till we get a white blinking light here. So here's that button here, ready, set, go, press and hold, holding. It's blinking white right there, indicating that it is in pairing mode. So, okay, I think this took too long. Let me just go back and we'll do the search again. Back, pair device again. It's still in the pairing mode, and let's see if it finds it here. Come on, where's it at? Okay, there we go. AirPods Pro, VL's AirPods Pro right there. So I'm gonna go ahead, just make sure that's highlighted. Select on that. And it says connected to Bluetooth audio right there. Let me go ahead and click on OK right there. And now we can see that the AirPods Pro is connected because you have that check mark right there. Okay, so we are ready to go with these on the Nintendo Switch. Now the thing is, if you had trouble, you couldn't put it in the pairing mode, or maybe you had trouble connecting or whatnot, if you do, you can always reset these as well. If you need to do that, look in the description below for that link. All right, good luck guys.